What's up, guys? Making another video. So we got the Honda Shadow and the hoist. I got it strapped over here, and we've been working on the hardtail. As you can see, welded. We're still working on these on the bottom. Still gotta grind, get the bottom part welded, and this one too as well. Not the best work, but it's decent. Shout out to my pops. He's the one that did the welding. I know he had a hard time here, close up the gaps. It was like his first time working on the project like this, but he did good. And then after that, I'm gonna get rid of this and the mono shock delete shock plate. Cut it out and then be working on the battery tray for the bottom here, and try to get the wheel back chain and try and break it down. But before doing all that, I'm gonna start just grinding, sanding down all the paint so I can try and get it painted and everything. And then I need to build the strut for this side. As you can see, this one's been cut because when I got the bike, I remember I took off the gas tank and they did some hacky half-ass job. They had bar going halfway, and then there was another one over here, and then another little piece like that, and it was just spot welded. It wasn't even fully welded, and I hit it with a hammer like twice, and then the welds just broke off. So that was sketchy. So we're gonna try to buy some material and try to do the bend. I got a pipe bender, so be doing that soon. So I'll make a video of that too. Then I gotta replace the fork seals, and work on that. And then I got the single throttle cable on it, TJ's. And this is from the eBay single throttle. And I gotta extend the brake line, make it reach over here because of the ape hangers, pretty long. And gotta find a new LED light for the headlight, make a bracket. And this is a stock speedometer. I don't know if I'll still keep this one or might probably replace it with a digital one. Not sure yet. And I'm probably gonna build my own pegs because I know the bike's gonna be sitting lower. And definitely make a new exhaust system, and then build a CC bar. And I'm also gonna put little tabs here, L brackets for the signal lights, and make the license plate holder. So it's getting there, guys.